According to YouTube lore, the lathe is the only tool that can be used for anything. I wonder whether that is true. I have some circuit boards to test. According to the lore, all it takes is creative tooling and work holding. Let's put it to the test. Last week I used my new PNP machine to assemble a simple circuit board. Yesterday I scaled it up and assembled 5 more since I need them for an upcoming project. Assembly was mostly uneventful, though I forgot to peel back some of the film covering the surface mount components to tape. During reflow, 2 components shifted and I had to reheat the boards to orient them correctly. 2 boards needed touch up with the soldering iron to remove some solder bridges. Today I have 6 boards to test, but 2 has the time for the old ways, and besides, continuity testing does not demonstrate that the board works. The brake guide board is a simple sensor that measures the orientation of a magnet. I wonder whether my heroes are right about the lathe being a miracle tool. The first question is which lathe to use. The combination lathe has a long swing and offers a nice distance between center. It has also a very strong motor. But size is not everything, and speed is controlled by switching belt positions. But I also have a mini lathe. Many laugh about the mini lathe and call it a toy at best. It lacks swing, length and power. But it does have variable speed control and it is more at scale with the task at hand. Let's use the mini lathe. I tried to put the tool into the 3-jaw chuck, but even after fiddling with it, the runout is still 5 1/1000ths. 5 1/1000ths is unacceptable. We could use the 4-jaw chuck, but dialing it in is too much hassle. Let's try the ER32 collet chuck. Now that is much better. The runout is less than 1/1000. 1/1000 runout is acceptable for our purpose. The next question traditionally is about tooling, high-speed steel or indexable tooling. Luckily, we are dodging a bullet here. My tool holder accepts indexable high-speed steel inserts. But the tool geometry is off, the angles are all wrong. We can easily shape the tool with the grinder. Since we're already here, I also put some clearance behind the edges and round over the sharp corners. Back at the lathe, I mount the tool in its holder. The lightweight yellow indicator will flag the tool orientation for us. I wire up the PCB to a black bill connector to my laptop. I bolt the PCB to a magnetic fixture plate that we're going to mount on the tailstock. Two magnets on the tip of the tool complete the setup. After a quick prayer to St. Clarence, clearance is clearance, Clarence, we are ready. A simple program on the black pill sends the sensor signal to my laptop where a Python code shows the detected orientation. PCB 1 works. PCB 2 works. PCB 3 works. PCB 4 works. PCB 5 works. And PCB 6 works. They all work. 6 out of 6 ain't bad. I can confirm the YouTube lore. With some creative work and tool holding, the lathe can indeed tackle any job. Thanks for joining me in the workshop of 4111 Spyglass. See you next week.